This is Narayan from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about sum of natural numbers in Python. The formula to calculate sum of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. For example, if you provide input as 5, we need to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. We'll discuss this logic in three variants. One is for loop, second one while loop, third one using formula. Launch Visual Studio and create Python application. We need to read input from command prompt. Use input of please provide input value and assign to integer variable n. So here input method returns string, but we are trying to store in the integer. We need to convert string to integer using int method. Int of later we need to check input value is valid or not. If n less than or equal to 0, print invalid number. Else we need to declare one variable to store result sum equal to 0 for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Here for loop returns sequence of numbers sum plus equal to I, print sum of numbers up to comma n comma r comma sum. We'll execute this program without debugging. That means Control F5, 0 invalid number, Control F5, -3 invalid number, Control F5, 5. We'll get output as sum of numbers up to 5 are 15. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We'll discuss this program or debugging. Put breakpoint here and go to debug. Here we have start debugging or F5. Later we need to step into F11. Click on start debugging. F11. Please provide input value 5. Enter. Here n is equal to 5. 5 less than equal to 0. False. Go to else part. Here sum is equal to 0. Here 1 comma 5 plus 1. That means 6. Range of 1 comma 6. That means range function will take 1 to 5. First I is equal to 1. Then sum is equal to 0 plus 1. Sum is equal to 1. Then I is equal to 2. Then sum 1 plus 2 will get 3. Then sum is equal to 6. I is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 10. Then I is equal to 5. 5 plus 10 will get 15. And output as sum of numbers up to 5 are 15. Now we will discuss this program or while loop. Remove this code. Here declare I variable I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, sum plus equal to I, then increment I value I equal to I plus 1. Now execute this program without debugging. That means Control F5, 3, enter. Sum of numbers up to 3 are 6. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. We'll debug this program. Put breakpoint. Go to debug. Start debugging. F11. Read the value from command prompt. 4. Enter. Here 4 less than or equal to 0. False. Go to else part. Here sum is equal to 0. Then I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 4. True. Then here I is equal to 1. 1 add to sum. Now sum is equal to 1. Then I incremented by 1. Now I is equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 4. True. Then sum is equal to 1. 1 plus 2. 3. Sum is equal to 3. F11. I is equal to 3. Then sum is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 will get sum is equal to 6. Then I incremented by 1. I is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 will get sum is equal to 10. Then I is equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 4. False. It exits from while loop and print the output. We are getting output as sum of numbers up to 4 are 10. Now we will discuss using formula. Remove this program. Read the input from command prompt. Input of please provide input value and assign to integer variable n. We need to convert string to integer using int method. Later we need to check input value is valid or not. If n less than or equal to 0, print invalid number, else print sum of numbers up to n, or we need to call the method sum of numbers and pass input value n. We need to provide implementation for this method. Copy this method def sum of numbers n, return n into n plus 1 by 2, that means control F5. Please provide input value -4 invalid number, 0 invalid number, 3 sum of numbers up to 3 are 6.0. Here we are getting float number, but we need to get integer number. We need to change in the place of division operator, change to float division, that means to forward slash. Now we'll execute this program. Control F5. Please provide input value 5 and we get output as sum of numbers up to 5 or 15. We'll debug this program. Put breakpoint here and here. Go to debug. Start debugging. F11. Please provide input value 3. Enter. Here n is equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 0. False. Go to else part. Here sum of numbers 3. That means it will call this method. Here n is equal to 3. Then n into n plus 1 by 2. N is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 means 4. Then by 2 you will get output as sum of numbers up to 3 are 6. Here float division operator will return integer value. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.